Get EA Sport FC 26 Showcase. Get this demo for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Epic Games launcher today like me and move here to store and search here EA Sports FC 26. And you will see here EA Sports FC 26 Showcase. Open it and go here get. After that you will see it's on your library and you will see ready to install. And you get game in library. Just go here to Go Store page, EA Sports FC 26 Showcase in library. Also you get EA Sport FC 26 trial version. Just install it and enjoy with your friends. Bye guys.